Hello, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the Year 4 Exploring Shape objectives. The two objectives are to be able to identify acute and obtuse angles and to be able to compare and order angles up to 180 degrees. Firstly, the teaching that you might need to teach your child is the difference between a right angle, an obtuse angle, and an acute angle. So a right angle is an angle like this, which is 90 degrees. Obtuse angles are greater than a right angle, but less than a straight line. And an acute angle is less than a right angle. So one of the activities you can do here is get your child to identify the right angle. And they can do this using a right angle checker like I've got here, and just place that on the angles. So that's not a right angle, that's not a right angle, but that one is. And you can also say, okay, we know it's not a right angle, so what is it? Is it obtuse or acute? And then get your child to explain whether they think it's acute or obtuse. And then moving on to that, get your child to compare and order these angles from smallest to largest. So the smallest one would be this one because it's less than a right angle. Then this one would be in the middle because it's 90 degrees. And then this one would be the largest angle because it's greater than 180 degrees. And you can cut the angles out and you can put them in different orders. You can play snap with angles, things like that. Make it really active and engaging for your child. And then the final thing I wanted to show you is just a piece of art that you can do. So similar to this. So I have literally just drawn lines onto the A4 piece of paper, coloured in the squares, and then I've started to identify whether it is acute, obtuse, or a right angle. And then I'm going to do that for all the angles in the piece of art. Thank you very much and have fun learning about angles.